Hey guys, this is MJ with another quick tip to know whether how we can stay anonymous while seeing the profile of another person on LinkedIn. Well, sometimes while seeing the profile of another person, you don't really want to let him or her know whether it's you who have seen the profile. The reasons may be different, like if you are a recruiter, you don't really want to let the job seeker know whether you have seen his or her profile. Or you might want to know more about your colleagues, etc. Anyhow, go to your profile and click on the option Who viewed your profile. And here you can see that these people have seen my profile, but I cannot recognize this person as he has changed his profile settings regarding such visibility. And if more people are seeing your profile anonymously, the LinkedIn will notify you like this. Anyhow, to stay anonymous, click on your profile and select Settings and Privacy. And here on the side menu, click on Visibility. Then select Profile Viewing Options. And here you can see that I have kept my search visibility to default, which means a person will know that I have seen his or her profile. All you need is to just select Private Mode option to stay anonymous, and it will save the changes automatically. Now, when you will see the profile of any person on LinkedIn, you will stay anonymous. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.